Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me in this particular video. In this video we'll talk about how can you check your database status is up or running. So we'll try to see a couple of methods, that way we can find out if your database is up and running or not. So first thing first, we can from this particular, after you log into your server, we can type a command called ps, just a moment, ps sef and grep pmon. And as you can see, the database is not up, database is down. If your database is up, we can see your database name listed over there, and that means your pmon process is running. You can check other stuff as well. You can do you can the smon as well, and as you can see, the smon process also not running. So your pmon and smon process, they are both of them, they are not running. This means your database is down. Now you can ask me a question, what is the pmon and what is the smon? To find out, please watch my other video. We'll talk about briefly about pmon and smon. So now let me log into my database. I'm going to use SQL Plus utility, SQL Plus, and I'm going to log in as a sys user, sysdb. And as you can see, I'm able to log in to my database, and this is called the connected to a idle instance. That means my instance is down, my database is down. So before I start on my database, let me do another check. You can just type select name, and then you can see open mode from $B database, and as you can see, I'm sorry, Oracle is not available. That means my database is down, right? That's why when I run this particular code, psef grep pmon and smon, I don't see my database is listed here. And when I log into my database instance using a SQL Plus utility, and I can see the Oracle not available, that means my database is down. So let's start up my database. Startup, just click on startup and click on enter, and then you have to wait a little bit because your database now is coming up. So it's gonna take some time, depend on your system configuration. So as you can see, database is coming up. It's gonna take, database is mounted stage right now, and now database have to open, so we have to wait a little bit until database open. So as you can see, database is open. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this code again, and I'm going to paste it here, and we will see now different output. As you can see, now my database is, name of my database is pnyft01, in open mode is read and write. That means my database is up and user can connect to my database. So this is the way we can check if your database is up or down. Let me exit from my SQL or Oracle database instance. I'm going to exit, click on exit. I'm going to exit, and what I'm going to do, whatever I did before, as you can remember, as you can see, I try with the psef grep pmon. I'm going to execute the same query again, and let's see what different output we'll get. So let's do it. So now, as you can see, we are getting aura, pmon, and pnyft01. That means my pmon process is running. So let's do another test. As you can see, when we run this line of code, and my database was down during that time, and I did not get any kind of output. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy that one again, right? Or you can type, or you can copy. I'm too lazy to type, so I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to enter, and as you can see, my smon process also running. Or underscore smon pnyft11, my database name. So this is the way we can check your database is up and running. If your database is down, you have to bring it up. You can just execute a command called the startup after login to your Oracle instance using SQL Plus utility. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next video. Bye bye.